welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making mince pie cupcakes, which is a little bit of a twist to a traditional mince pie. We're going to be making them into cupcake form, but they're still going to have a bit of pastry on top. Now they're very simple to make, extremely festive, and maybe if you don't like a traditional mince pie, maybe you'd like it in cupcake form. Give it a shot. Now, the ingredients we'll need are very simple, normal ingredients to make a cake. All we're gonna do is just add mince pie flavors. We need eggs, sugar, self-rising flour, and a little bit of bicarbonate of soda, butter. We have here sultanas, which have been soaking in brandy. You can see very little bit left. We have spices. We have cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, allspice, and ginger, and we have minced meat. This is homemade minced meat. Maybe next year I'll give you a recipe. Now, this is called the everything, dump everything in a bowl method. There's probably an actual term for this. I call it the Mary Berry method because she does it a lot. Just plop everything in a bowl. No particular order. Actually, first, we'll give this a bit of a mix. So the butter is broken up. We'll add the currants, lovely Christmassy spices, and we'll give this a mix for about 1 minute. Smells like Christmas. Now, if I can get it out. Come on. Now, I have a cupcake tin with paper cases. I need 2 spoons. I need a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Remove this other attachment. Okay. I'll grab a spoonful. Place it in a tray. Continue doing that until they're all full. Okay, so these are now scooped, and as you can see here, I had some extra cake batter that wouldn't fit in these, and I put it in a cake tin, and you could cut this up and eat it with a cake. That's an idea. If you wanted to, you could easily put all of this batter in a cake and just make a mince pie cake. Doesn't really matter. Now, they're gonna go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. They might need more, might need less. Bake them until they're golden brown, and you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. Alrighty, so now that the cupcakes are out of the oven, we are going to make the stars on top. I have some pie dough here. I will leave a link somewhere up here where I've shown you how to make it in a previous video. And I have a star cookie cutter. And all we're going to do is roll it out. If you don't want to make pie dough, you don't have to. This is just a decoration. It's purely just to make it look good. They're gonna taste amazing with it or without it. So it's up to you whether you want to do it or not. Now all we'll do is cut the stars out and place them on a tray. These are going to go in an oven at 180. It's already hot from the cupcake, so just put it in for about, they won't need much, so keep an eye on them. Maybe like after 3-5 minutes-ish, check them because you don't want them to burn. Okay, last step of this recipe, we're going to make the buttercream. Now, you need a mixer with a whisk attachment. The ingredients are icing sugar, vanilla extract, softened butter, and milk. We'll add the butter in the mixer. And we'll mix this until it's pale. Okay, so now that this is what you want, it's considerably lighter in color than it was. Now we're going to sift in half of the icing sugar, and we'll mix and continue adding all of the icing sugar. I'll show you what it looks like when it's there. Now, this has become super stiff, you cannot bite that. We'll add the vanilla. And the milk to loosen it up. Okie dokes, so the buttercream is now ready. This is the consistency you want. We're going to place it in my piping bag. Okay, so now we're on the last step, which is decorating. I have the piping bag filled with the buttercream, and they have a star tip at the end. We have the cool cupcakes and the little pastry stars. Now, all I'm going to do is just pipe. Start from the middle. And work your way out. If you want a rose look, it's one way to do it. You start from the middle, it looks like a rose. Now, if you start from the outside, show you two techniques. Looks a bit more like a traditional cupcake. Now we'll place a star on each cupcake. There you have it, the finished cupcakes. They are very, very festive. They look so good. Now, let's taste one, shall we? The mince meat, especially, is so good. You can make your own, or you can buy it from a jar, doesn't matter. They're still gonna taste the same. Mine's slightly a bit better if you make it homemade because it's always that tad bit better. You can definitely taste the brandy in it, and the currants, the lemon, the orange peel, and the cinnamon, the spices. They're really good. I hope you make them. If you do, don't forget to like, comment down below, share this video, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye! With another Christmas video.